Broken stone crusher truck.
Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh.
I'm the strongest crusher. Look at me. I can break walls so easily. I can finish all of this.
Oh. Oh.
What happened? My hammer is broken.
Welcome to the TinkerBot Repair Center. I'm happy to help you.
TinkerBot, I'm hurt.
Let me check you first. I'll fix the dented body.
Oh.
The broken parts need to be replaced with new ones. This big arm also needs to be changed.
Oh.
Oh, the gears here are broken too. Let's straighten the bent parts. Now install the new arm. All right, all finished. Now let's go for a wash. Please wait in the washroom. Truck size, large. Dirt level, very heavy. Dirt type, mud. First rinse with clean water. Add some bubbles. Rinse again. Blow it dry. Wax and polish. Okay, all done.
Thank you. I need to hurry back to the work site now. Goodbye, TinkerBot.
You're welcome. Please work safely. Goodbye and have a safe trip.